Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Nuer people. They're a group of people living in South Sudan, known for their unique language and culture. The Nuer are a group of people who call South Sudan home, living in the marshlands and savannas across both banks of the Nile River, known for their distinct culture and traditions. They speak an Eastern Sudanic language that belongs to the Nilo-Saharan language family. This language has its own unique grammar and structure, making it a fascinating area of study for linguists and anthropologists alike. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate their vibrant traditional attire. The Nuer men wear a simple loincloth around their waist, while the women adorn themselves with intricate beaded jewelry and colorful clothing. These stunning outfits are not only visually appealing, but also serve as a representation of their cultural identity. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of the Nuer people. If you enjoyed this video, please giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, take care.